Hello friends, welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineers Internship Project Orientation. This project orientation is for case study analysis project. This will be a very short video of only 5 slides. So it is my request to please complete this video, watch this video till end. In this video we are going to tell you about what the interns need to do in this project, what the interns going to get benefit from this project, and this project is benefit like good for which kind of students. Okay, so let's do the project introduction. Case study analysis is a project where we provide real life cases to the students so that they will understand the the learning method, the actual business learning methodology of those cases. Okay, what kind of strategy they have used, how they are able to uh, manage to succeed, how they are able to not manage to succeed and become failure. So that kind of learning they are going to have in this internship and this case study analysis. Before we go forward, I would like to share one thing. Most of the students are doing BTech, and this is another part of this case study and analysis internship, that how this project is started. Students spend 48 months, like 4 years in BTech and 2 years in MBA and 3 years of normal graduation. The only motto of spending so much time in a professional degree course to enhance their knowledge about the subject matter and enhance their skills about different activities, so that those knowledge and through that skills they are gonna perform in their dream job after they finish their professional degree courses. But usually what is happening, so usually what is happening is 85% of the time the students think that whatever they are studying in their curriculum is, they have no idea that how these courses what they are studying in their curriculum is going to help them in real world. मतलब उनको समझ में ही नहीं आता कि जो भी वो लोग पढ़ रहे हैं अपने कॉलेज में, अपने कोर्सेज में, हाउ दिस इज गोना हेल्प देम इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. 70% of the degree holders, they think that they need to do some additional professional certification to work in that their field of interest. And from work I'm not only talking about the job, and for work I'm talking about anything, like if you want to start a company, if you want to join your father's business, any kind of work. So to address this issue, we started this case study analysis program. And believe it or not, the day we started this program, it looks little bit weird, this program, but this program helped a lot of interns to fill that gap between the corporate and the college life. So what is the interns work? The first module of this internship is quite easy, quite relaxed. The interns, what interns need to do is they list they need to list the job, the dream jobs what they want to do, list the dream jobs and what kind of skills are required to do that dream jobs. That's the list they need to prepare in the first module, nothing else. In the second module they need to we will provide them a list of 24 case studies, real life case studies and cases, and then they need to analyze those case studies, 3 out of 24. Okay, those 24 case studies are from failure case studies, success case study and scam case study also. Okay, and when you do a scam case study, that is also going to, you are going to get a different set of learning, not to do how to scam, but think about how they did the scam and blah blah. The third thing is detailed case study analysis. The intern need to select one case study out of those 24 or any other case study of their choice. They need to do a detailed case study analysis and prepare and present that case study in a formal case study analysis format. We will give you that format also. In the fourth module, you need to summarize and report the whole internship, okay, in a corporate standard format. What you are going to learn in this case, in this whole internship, There are four learnings: subject matter learning, that you will learn the subject matter of the whatever case study you have done. You will definitely learn what is the subject matter inside that case. Yeah, of course. Second thing is awareness of the current situation. Okay, current situation awareness, you can correlate as what you are studying right now, how this is going to help in your future, how you are going to correlate, okay, and what kind of management learning you have learned through the case study. All these things when you do, you will be much aware about what need to be done and what you are exactly doing in your college. Third thing is analytical thinking of solutions, that after you make the list of the skills, after you do the case study analysis, then how you are going to enhance those skills. Enhancement of knowledge is, yes, there are a lot of ways you can enhance your knowledge, but enhancing of skills, thinking about the strategies, understanding the strategies, thinking about what other people are going to doing in their job, and how you are going to replace them. Okay, to thinking all these things, definitely you will increase your analytical thinking and finding of more solutions about to develop your skills, okay, for the your dream job. Fourth is the data analysis, documentation, and reporting. When you make the report, when you see, do the reporting for the case study analysis and do the final reporting of the internship, you'll definitely learn a lot of data analysis. Same module and task, okay, nothing much. The modules are, we have 4 modules and 4 smart tasks. Each modules are for 10 days, okay, and each module is for 10 days, and each module have different smart tasks. Okay, the tasks are already mentioned in the drive. You can download the task and finish the task. The task is of most of that is kind of queries. Is about doing the case study analysis, doing the case study analysis format. Okay, and the final task is corporate reporting. Whatever you have done is in this internship, you need to make a corporate report using the corporate standard, the formats. Now let's talk about the benefits you will get through this internship. Okay, since this is a very different kind of internship, it is not related to one particular project. It is related to a lot of case studies, analysis, and all. So the benefit is also widespread. Okay, the first benefit is the knowledge enhancement. You before doing this internship, after doing this internship, your knowledge is gonna enhanced. Knowledge related to the cases what you analyze, knowledge related to what kind of dream job you want to do, knowledge related to what kind of skills you want to have to do that dream job. So definitely there is a knowledge enhancement is there. Second is the skill enhancement. The moment you start understanding the corporate strategies, the moment you start understanding the managerial learning through that case studies, the moment you start listing the skills, okay, your mind automatically start working to enhancing those skills. Okay, so definitely during this internship and after this internship, you will definitely, your skills is going to enhanced. Okay, the third is corporate and industrial process flow. During this internship, you are going to interact with your mentor, you are going to interact with the HR manager, you are going to do corporate skill development program, pre-placement training program. So when you interact with the people who are not from academics, who are not your professors, so definitely you will understand corporate culture and all. Okay, now the admin benefits. So these 3 benefits, knowledge enhancement, skill enhancement, and corporate industrial process flow, these are benefits are absolutely free. When you do this internship, you will get these benefits. Okay, now if you want to properly document this internship, if you want to properly get certified with this internship, you need to take the admin benefits. What comes in under the admin benefits, you need to understand. First is the e-verified certification on a flexible dates. Okay, you can get the e-verification of the certificate on the dates whatever you want. Letter of recommendation from your mentor, certificate verification and feedback. There are a lot of time the college wants to know what the interns are doing. We need to sign a feedback, stamp it, send it back to the college. All these things we will take care. The admin team will take care. We will write a special recommendation for foreign universities. Okay, because when you apply in foreign university, they send us a link to write about the students and all. So that also we will take care. You can also use the mentor's name in the industry as your reference. This is also, we will give you the consent. We'll give you the encouragement on LinkedIn on liking whatever you share about this internship. We will like it, share it, and sometimes share it also. And sometimes a lot of time we'll give LinkedIn recommendation. And if you want original transcripts of this internship certificates to the courier to home, we will do that. So overall, this case study analysis internship is very good for MBA students, I must say. And but anybody else, if they are doing MBBA, BTech, or any other graduation, if they want to do the case study analysis, they can do it. The cases are quite simple and quite generic, but the learning are very specific. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.